Cooking Blocks menu. Today I'm going to show you how to make this camp setup using Kingdom Blocks, which looks like this. We have a tent, a bench, which is a log, and we have a campfire. Let's see how we can make it. Let's start by making the tent. For making the tent's roof, you will require this continuous attachment of these pieces. We will require 5 of these large pieces and 4 of these small pieces attached continuously. And now we can keep that aside. Now we'll continue by making the base. For making the base, we need to attach 2 of these big pieces together using this piece at the bottom, like that. And then we attach these 2 pieces together like that, and then attach it on the top, like that. Now we should bend this at this top, leaving on this big piece as the middle. Then we attach it on this sides, okay, like that. And now for the final rear, we attach 2 of these pieces to this small piece, like that, and then attach this to the back. Now we should hold this piece in this manner, place it at the bottom, connect the top, and then push this in by lightly lifting up the sides, and then again flattening it to give it like a little curved appearance. Now this is our tent. Now let's see how to make the bench. For making the bench, we require these pieces. The bench is just a log like you see in most campsites. We just attach these pieces. You can attach any of the small types or long type. I am using this arrangement because it makes it a bit random. Now after we attach these pieces, we then take another pieces, and like to give it the broken effect, I'm going to take just 3 on the other side, and like that. You can show it to this side, or maybe if you want to keep the back of it broken, you can show any side. Now let's see how to make the campfire. Now to make the bonfire, you require a wheel, 3 of these pieces, and 3 curved pieces. Now start by connecting this curved piece to the wheel on all the 3 sides, like that. Then take these pieces and attach them on this side, a little tilted, to give it like the whole, like few twigs are piled up, like that. Now you can put it in the scenery with the log, and now our camp set is ready. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, hit the like button. See you next time for the interesting object video. Bye.